Once upon a time I was sitting in the evening and thought about what kind of dessert do I want. Suddenly the idea came to my head to make the banana with sugar. So I want to put it. So I decided to put the banana in sugar and bake it. Let's see what will happen. Firstly, we need to melt sugar in the pan. Put some water and sugar and mix it in the medium flame. You should mix it for only 1 minute and then let it boiling for another 10 minutes, without any touching. Probably you can put the whole banana or cut it in slices.
Imposter, I'm just a middle-class worker from Toronto. In spite of how I sound, single one platinum bigger than Marley and Jimmy and Yellowman, but I'm not even mulatto. My reggae's watered down.
And here we need to be patient and wait about 10 minutes until the caramel melts. Here we can see that the sugar became brown and now we are ready to put the banana in it. That's why I am opening the another one, hopefully that it will be very tasty. Be careful with this caramel sugar because it is extremely hot. We put the banana in caramel just for 20 or 30 seconds because we don't want to be it extra boiled. And that's enough time to fix the caramel on it. We need this banana to be fully covered with the caramel, and if you take the spoon it will go better. Then put the slices into the pan for 15-20 seconds. Turn over to the other side and in 15 seconds it will be ready. Use spoon to help you while putting the slices out. But don't hurry up, I know you want to eat it immediately as fast as you can, but for now it is very hot. We need to give it 3 or 4 minutes to cool down. You know, the secret is that it's my first time when I do the banana in caramel, and if I have such result, I am sure you can cook better. To be honest, it is very tasty, crunchy and sweety, and if you have a banana and 20 minutes in the evening, you should really try it. Just look at this banana fully covered with melted sugar, it looks very tasty. Thank you very much for watching, try and subscribe for new recipes.